Hi everyone. Can you hear me? Hi. I will try to just present and see what happens. Okay. Um, can you hear me? Right. My presentation for today, I decided to talk about Namibia. Namibia is a country in the southwest of Africa, and it's bordering South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Zambia, and Congo. And it actually has a population of 2.4 million people. And Namibia is a home to the world's oldest desert, and they are like the most. There are various uh, dunes that are like in Sossley that are really high, around about I think 338 meters high. And Namibia has a diverse culture. There's around 30 languages spoken, and it is also a home to the largest canyon in the world, uh, um, the second largest canyon in the world. Yeah, and that is Fish River Canyon. And did you know that Namibia is the second least densely populated country in the world after Mongolia? Um, yeah, it's a fact. So if you want to know more about Namibia, please, make it in your bucket to-do list. Put it in one of the countries that you would like to visit. You'll learn more about it. And yeah, thank you. That's just basically it for now. But there's so much more about Namibia. I just pick a few things. Um, yeah. Hey, Depti and Depa and Abdul, I'm not sure if you're able to hear me, but I did my short presentation about Namibia. Um, yeah, alright. Um, yeah, it seems like we can hear each other. I'm just gonna hang up for now and see how we can connect again. Right, thank you.